shook about Miss Trudy and WODE. My people, wait till the end of this video. May you hear waiting WODE and Miss Trudy, that is his wife, they are up to. My beautiful people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Happy Christmas. Yeah, so I never ever wish my people happy Christmas. Happy Christmas. How do you celebrate your Christmas? You travel, they stay abroad, you travel to Africa, they stay in Africa, you travel to village, like WODE and his wife, when they travel to village, go meet their now so you do, or you there with your family. Me, I there with my family for France. I'm a mommy of two. I'm Nigeria. I dey stay for France. Yes, I be Naija daughter. Yes. Okay, let's dive into this. Our beautiful sister, Miss Trudy and WODE. This one should go. If you be Miss Trudy, people, that is Miss Trudy, fans or follower, or let me see your hands up. Let me see you in the comment section. What do you think about waiting about to talk? If we be WODE person, fans, follower, let me hear in the comment section. What do you think about it? May I first celebrate those who celebrate. Congratulations, my sister, Miss Trudy from Kenya, our wife, our Ghanaian wife. Congratulations, my people. If you never hear, go to her China, go congratulate her. And she says, me una go her husband China, me una tell her, say, Miss Trudy, thank her. You say me una wash her husband. Now, husband and wife, business on this white. A lot of things make me sit down to talk this thing to my women and to my brothers in social media. Yes. Ask me again and I will tell you. Congratulations to Miss Trudy and WODE. I celebrate with you now. Okay. Congratulations. More win. Yes. In fact, this car will use and carry our triplets. Triplets or twins. Yes, so because this car big, now family car. I still trust our brother WODE. Maybe before you even give one twins, or he will still give you goto. He get the biggest one. Hey, it's shuko. Hey. My purpose of bringing this topic home now to congratulate them and still use and as form of advice to me and you, and talk to our brothers, our sisters out there. Are you in the shoe when things not they work well? Yes, you'll see Miss Trudy and WODE today. Many of us, maybe they try to watch video when go they expire. How not they speak that English? Speak and finish. When go they give us good vibe, not the bad vibe. You'll know when WODE do live stream. He talk about say when he and this his wife know. He say he never gets. People will say he don't get, now make it the following. He never gets, and it's true. If you go watch the old video, now school, you go school for China. As a school, just school finish or you just start YouTube. And even talk and say take it 2 years, be a year before you monetize the China. You they see, and when you meet this young girl, money never day, but today now they get the enjoy. I love some comments, some Ghanaian comments when I read. One say you deserve it, wife. You are really a good wife. You are really a good person. You're humble. You're doing. You deserve it. That is one. I just jump. Another one, many of our actor, our superstar. If now some people did this WODE shoe, they don't marry this Miss Trudy. Now that's what they'll remember. It's not my country. It's not my village. Country said they will say, she's not my village girl. You they see, many of them. Don't be say some not say they divorce. So as I not wish Miss Trudy and WODE. No. You see, as WODE, you want settle down. If now some guy, they go they find it fault when they'll take discharge her. Maybe they go carry their village girl or their town girl. I would draw down my word village girl. Yes, me I be village girl. WODE saying a village boy. The comment section say thank you for marrying my village boy, for marrying our village boy. Thank you. You really deserve the comment. You can go to Miss Trudy comment section. You will see a lot of. I don't go bring all those things here because I just want to film this film. So many of us we still the holiday. Many of us still the holiday. Let's dive again. You'll go to her channel, Miss Trudy channel. If you never subscribe, go to subscribe. If you never joined their husband and wife business ministry, go and join WODE and Miss Trudy. I know soon I go get her. But sometimes so say they don't know. He wife himself. Hey, I just the job for this video. Now congratulations. I congratulate you. A wife, even still go America. A driver, when a driver for America, say no know you WODE. You see, many people not still know. Let me promote her. If you don't know WODE, run to his channel. Go and subscribe. Okay? He's a real humble guy, a real humble husband to Miss Trudy. Yes, and two of two of the father fit. Wetin Miss Judy talk? He say na this kind man na she really dream to marry. Man when he go be like a brother, if she want do something or if she want say something, she know dey shame or she know use her hand to scratch her. They go dey play like brother. If you know some men, you know if you knock their something for head. Some men no fit talk some kind word. Some men no fit do some kind things. You know those kind of things. She no need that. But glory be to God. Now the kind man when God give her. Now man when they be like brother and sister, and that is the best. If you are out there, you will never marry. Marry man who now go be brother and sister, who now fit play, who now fit joke, who now fit do anything or do. Do you understand? Now they say, as if now some people they go find this our sister Miss Judy Fort, go to marry their town girl or their country girl. But this our brother not do like that. He marry her wife. And the family, I believe, say they not still discouraged and they love the girl, they love the lady, they marry. But today, this our lady, she they travel all the way from Kenya. Forget say WODE they hire the best car. If now some many girls, they not take her. They want do that big life. They want show up. They want show off. But this girl, she never turned WODE down when they even marry. You see, they are married very simple. And when they even marry, if now some people say, I don't marry now, now you need to buy. I believe say no ever utter her, but her car dream, she always admire this car. You never see the car. Look, just spy a little. Then remove her.
Okay. That's your Uber for this Christmas.
As she see the car, I say, oh, mom, my dream car, my dream car, my dream. Patience. If you be out there, patient with your husband, patient with your wife. Nobody knows tomorrow. 5 years ago, 6 years ago, if WODE go fix say he go fit be like this. Now lie. If Miss Judy go fix say this guy why they follow, this guy they call him village guy why they follow. You know who get can so higher car. I even know whether na stage, I even know whether na this. But today he buy her dream car. If my advice go to we the girls, we the ladies out there, if you they follow your husband, no hunter. Man can get today, things can turn around. You go leave her, no do one. You feel they date a guy, he no get patient with her, no mock her, no throw word. I know say correct can come, correct that one now. Love, husband and wife, you are free to throw away words, but after the quarrel, now they play, now they do no hunter. You don't know tomorrow. It can be that best man when you ever wish for. The destiny can be delayed, but can never be denied. And if you see they out there, you don't follow my hustle, or you don't follow woman hustle, you don't make him get that name, and she or he can't turn against you. Not go kill yourself because we gotta buy this, build house, this house. We gotta no. I dey talk about Africa, Europe, now the woman side, now the woman will get everything. But for Africa, no use because of say we gather, you can't go kill yourself or you can't die in depression. Or you know the kind men when you dey follow suffer. Yes. They say they're on the right hand. Some they're not the right hand, but some you will see their red flag. Be very careful. No be say you don't see the red flag, say, now no even get, if they jump from tree like a monkey, you understand, at the end, if that kind man fuck up tomorrow, you go, they say, all men, they are the same. No, look the kind man when they follow the suffer. And if you see follow the man, or man suffer, and it constantly turn against you tomorrow, it constantly they misbehave, when you don't see all those red flags, my brother, my sister, carry your thing, your head first. No look wet. This wet of 18, once you die, the 6 feet when they dig for pets when you don't get at all, now they will still dig for you. They don't pack the wet, come put for your chest. Always let that thing dey your back of your mind. Then move away. Stay focused. But if your husband they nice or your wife they nice, both of you be loyal. Nobody know tomorrow. No look the downfall of somebody today to Georgia. No look the this guy not get to Georgia. When this our brother would mind when buy a wife this kind big car and tear rubber. I believe 5 years ago, 7 years ago, 10 years ago, but today now, he can afford it. Some of our beautiful sisters went to our brother would trust those days when they don't get. Congratulations once again, my beautiful brother. I don't just know, I just say me, I still happy Christmas to my people and Happy New Year in advance. Yes, Naija Daughter. This early morning. Like I'll go rest again. Oh lo lo lo, go. May we celebrate now. Miss Trudy, I say may we celebrate. Oh lo lo lo, our wife oh, Africa wife oh, Ghanaian wife oh, oh lo lo lo, Now who they there? Now. No. You should never subscribe to Naija Daughter TV. What are you waiting for? Join this beautiful family. We're full of love. We're full of Now love will they spread. Once we see news, one our hand meet, we'll grab her. I go rush her. Bring her on there. Oh lo. Kuba. Oh lo. And Miss Judy still meet Ghanaian president. Do you hear that? Hey, Miss Judy. Ghanaian favor you. Hey. See how just they shine. Giddy. Why Miss Judy meet Ghanaian president? Can you drop her in the comment section? Let's deliberate on it. Wait till you fix it. How? I've been on the park to make would Maya buy his wife car? What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. Congratulate them. Okay. If you never subscribe to this Naija Daughter Tv, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Hit that button. Subscribe. Turn it on. Share. If you can share to your Facebook, just social media handle. Give me a like. That like is very important. Please be cool. Please. I'm begging. It is very important. I'll see you in my next video. Oh, all the way for France. All the way for France. Now for the celebrate with the Maya and his wife, Miss Trudy.
Christmas.
That's your Uber for this Christmas.
Babes, are you serious?
What do you mean? Am I serious?
Here with the car?
Here with the car. The car is empty.
Oh my god. Guy, are you for real? And I have always wanted to drive these big cars. Let me tell you, I see them on the road. You know, I just drive a Honda Insight back in Kenya, good car, but it's a low car. I always want
Since 4 years ago, it's been 4 years now since I met Maya. We've been using, matatus, trotros, Ubers to move around, and sometimes it's not easy. You need to go for a meeting, you need to wait for an Uber to get there. The Uber is late. Sometimes you're going, for meetings, and in short, I'm just.
Grace me, Lord, in your mercy.